Welcome to Extreme Telugu channel. Please do subscribe our channel so that you never miss a video from us channel. Okay, let us discuss 10th class sets topic. So, sets. The father of set theory was George Cantor, very important one. Now, in this chapter, the weightage for SSC, 4 marks problem 1, so 4 into 1, 4 marks. 2 marks problem 1 question, so 2 into 1, 2 marks. 1 mark problem 1 question, so that 1 into 1 is 1. Half mark problem 2 questions, that is half into 2, that is 1 mark. So overall 4, 6, 7, 8, total 8 marks. Now coming to the topic, the definition of set. A set is a collection of well-defined objects. Here the objects means either objects in the sense either the numbers or alphabets or any objects, pencil, pen, anything. So well-defined object. So let me give one example. A is equals to all the students of class 10th. So when I say all the students of class 10th, whoever says the same output you will be getting. So that is a well-defined object. Suppose if I say one more example, intelligent students of class 10th. So there may be differ in this set. So intelligent, some may be intelligent in social subject, some may be intelligent in math subject. So there you may get a different answer for this set. So this is only a collection, it is not a set. It's an example for not a set, and this is an example for set. So these are well-defined objects. So another example also you can take. Vowels in English alphabet. Vowels in English alphabet. So next comes forms of set. So to represent set, so there are some conditions. So always set should be denoted within the flower brackets. So and always set is denoted with capital letters, and each and every element is followed by comma, and you have to enclose with flower bracket. So these brackets are curly brackets or else flower brackets. So and one more thing is the elements are always should be in the small case letters. So these are called elements of the sets. Elements of the set, and the elements of the set always should be in small case letters. And this is nothing but set. Set always capital letters. These are the some notations you have to follow. And coming to the forms of set, there are 2 forms to represent the set. There are 2 forms. Number 1 is roster form. Which is also known as list form, where we list out all the elements. And the number 2 is set builder form. Okay. Or rule form, you can say rule form, which is followed by some rule. So one example we'll take. So A is equals to A, E, I, O, U. These are nothing but the vowels. So each and every element is listed in this set. So that is the reason it is a list form or roster form. If I want to write this roster form, this set in set builder form, so I need to look for the common property. So common property. So what is the common property in this set? So all these are vowels. So let me express this all the common property in X such that this slash is nothing but such that I need to describe what is X. X is a vowel, vowels in English alphabet. In this way you need to write. This is a set builder form or rule form. Okay, we'll take one more example. If we take 1, 4, 9, 16, 25. So this is a list form, all the elements are listed. Now how to write into set builder form? Look for the common property. So all these are squares. 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square, 5 square. So all are common property is square and all are natural numbers in order. So I need to write in X. X is the element. So you need to describe this one. Okay, in the form of X. Common property is X such that X is equals to, what is this natural number? N square. N square, where N is a natural number. Where N is, the limitation is less than or equals to 5 and N belongs to natural number. N belongs to natural number. Is it clear, children? Now, in the same way, if you want, you can write so many examples. One more example also you can take. You can take the cubes, you can take the multiples. Suppose 3, 6, 9, 12. So what are these? Multiples of 3. So 3 ones are, 3 twos are, 3 threes, 3 fours. So that is X such that X is equals to 3 times of natural number. 1, 2, 3, 4 within the bracket. All these are natural numbers. So X is equals to 3n, where n is less than or equals to 4. Even 4 is also included. And n belongs to natural number. N belongs to natural number. Okay now. So writing a set in set builder form is a very important. You may get in 1 mark. Okay. Basic operations in set theory. So as we know in maths we have something like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. In the same way here also we have 4 basic operations. One is union. Union. Next number 2 is intersection. 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 And union is denoted by U and intersection is denoted by cap. Reverse of this. And next difference. 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 So minus. And last one more is symmetric difference. Symmetric difference, which is denoted by delta. So these are the main things. So let me explain in one word. What is union means? Writing all elements at once. Writing all elements at once. Let me explain this one. Okay, so let me take one example for union. Suppose if A is equals to 1, 3, 5, 7 and B is equals to 2, 4, 6, 7, 8. Let me take one common element also. Now, how to write A union B? Very simple. First write A value 1, 3, 5, 7. A value and then union. Next B. B is what? 2, 4, 6, 7, 8. Now, I told you no, union means you need to write all the elements at once. Here the common element is 7. Let me circle the 7 with pencil. Next. Now write all the elements at once. 1, 3, 5, 7. Next. 2, 4, 6, 8. Here I need to write only one time this 7. Okay, now that should be written. Now, if you want, you can arrange in order, or else if you leave it also, no issue. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is what A union B. This is what. Now, if you are asked to find what is the number of elements, so n of A union B, that is n indicates number. So, how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So, that number is 8. Now, coming to intersection. What is that? Intersection. So, intersection means only common elements. What is that? Simple one. Very simple. Only common elements. So, you need to write only common elements. So, if I take the same example or else another example 1, 2, 3 and B is equals to 2, 3, 4. So, what is A intersection B is? A is 1, 2, 3. Intersection B is 2, 3, 4. So, the common elements are 2 and 3. So, let me write 2, 3. That is A intersection B. So, here comes n of A intersection B is 2 elements. So, I am writing 2. Here don't write here within the set. Okay, now this is number. Number means only number. So, this is a set. You should enclose in flower brackets. Now, after that, you have something called difference. So difference. So, let me do it here only. So, what is that? Difference. So, in the difference, if I ask you to find A minus B, so let A is equals to 1, 3, 5, 7 and B is equals to 2, 4. Now, here, if I ask A minus B, these are the A values and minus B. So, let me, instead of circling in the difference, what you need to do is just strike off the common elements and write the elements, leftover elements in the first set. When you are asked to find A minus B, so A minus B, B minus A, both you will find. So, let me strike off the common elements, leftover elements in the first set, that is 1, 3, 5. That's it. No need to write all these elements. Okay, now this is A minus B. From the A, you are removing the B. So, the leftover elements, common elements are removed. The leftover elements in the first set. That's all. Now, coming to B minus A, let me tell. So, B minus A, what is B? 2, 4, 6, 7, 8. Minus A. What is A? 1, 3, 5, 7. So, here also the common element is 7. Strike off this. And the leftover elements in the first set. Here the first set is B. So, 2, 4, 6, 8. These are the elements of B minus A. So, this is B minus A. One thing we can clearly observe in general from 1 and 2. A minus B is not equals to B minus A in general. Now coming to here, if I find a B intersection A something, so what is B? 2, 3, 4 and intersection A is 1, 2, 3. So the intersection part is the common elements, that is 2 and 3. So that is 2, 3. So here also if you observe, so what is A intersection B and B intersection A? Both are equal. So in general, A intersection B is equals to B intersection A. As well as in the union also, you can say A union B is also equals to B union A. So A union B is equals to B union A and A intersection B is equals to B intersection A. So it follows the commutative property. And A minus B is not equals to B minus A in generally. Now, the last one, symmetric difference. This is very important. One model problem for 4 marks based on this one, symmetric difference. So, let me write the formula A delta B. So, delta indicates symmetric difference. So, the formula is A minus B union B minus A. This is one formula. And other way of representing A delta B is A union B minus A intersection B. So these are the two formulae are there. Now, so for you the 4 marks problem you will be getting, show that 4 marks, very important one. Show that A minus B union B minus A is equals to, what is this? A union B minus A intersection B. Okay. So you'll be giving the values also. So let me take, if A is equals to say 1, 3, 5 and B is equals to 3, 4, 5. Now, how to do? Let me take the LHS part. What is the LHS? A minus B union B minus A. Is it clear? From that, I am considering the A minus B. So consider A minus B. As I said, what is A value? 1, 3, 5 minus 3, 4, 5. So the common elements are 3, 3 cancel, 5, 5 cancel. Now the leftover elements in the first set is 1. So this is A minus B over. Next coming to this one, B minus A. What are the B elements? 3, 4, 5 minus A. What is A? 1, 3, 5. Now 3, 5, 3, 5. Cancel this one. And the leftover element is 4. So this is B minus A. Now I have got A minus B and B minus A. Let me take the union of these elements. That is my LHS. What is this LHS? So A minus B union B minus A. B minus A. So what is A minus B value? Is 1. Union. What is B minus A? 4. Union means I need to club both the elements 1, 4. So this is LHS. Let me keep it equation number 1. Now let me do the RHS. We'll see the RHS. Okay, we'll see the RHS. Now RHS part is here. So what is that RHS? You need to consider RHS. What is RHS? Let me erase this one. So RHS is A union B minus A intersection B. So from this, let me consider the A union B. So let me write consider A union B, which is again what are the A values? 1, 3, 5, 1, 3, 5 union. What are the B values? 3, 4, 5. So 3, 4, 5. So what is a union? 1 common elements are 3 and as well as 5. So let me write common elements at once. The remaining element is this. So this is what A union B. Next comes A intersection B. So consider A intersection B, that is A is 1, 3, 5, intersection B. What is B? 3, 4, 5. So the intersection is 3 is the intersection. So and as well as 5. So the answer is 3 and 5. This is A intersection B. Now let me take the complete RHS. What is RHS? A union B minus A intersection B. So what is A union B? 1, 3, 4, 5. You can write in any way. Okay now, either 5, 4 or 4, 5. Minus intersection, that is 3 and 5. So cancel the elements 3, 5, 3, 5. So the leftover elements in the first set is 1, 4. This is, let me keep it as equation number 2. So from 1 and 2 you can clearly see that both the LHS and RHS are equal. So my conclusion is from 1 and 2 LHS is equals to RHS, hence verified. After this we will discuss one more 4 marks model problem. Okay, thank you children. So in the next video we will see the other 4 marks model problems and Venn diagrams and other 2 marks and 1 mark important models we will discuss. Please subscribe our YouTube channel Extreme Telugu. Thank you.